What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on deck, and today is a case video. Now today we got a case from a company called Alumu. We're gonna keep that first U silent and just call this company Alumu. It's easier for me to get through this video like that. So this is how we pronounce it. I'm not 100% sure, but Alumu. Now I had a case for them for the S24 Ultra, guys. White vegan leather case was really dope and it was really quality. So I definitely wanted to try this frosted case for my S25 Ultra. Now this case just came out. Even though the S25 Ultra been out a while, this company just put these cases out not too long ago. I'll definitely put a link in the description. I didn't get this case from this company. I actually bought this case off of Amazon with my own money. Affiliate link is in the description if you want to try it out. I really think these cases just have a nice, cool, unique nerd type aesthetic, guys. I like how they got the transparent look and how you might see the inner workings of the phone, but just a nice, unique design. This is the white transparent, and then they got like a gray transparent if you have a darker color of the S25 Ultra. I think this white transparent is gonna look dope with my silver white S25 Ultra. Now this case is feature packed for it to be a frosted case. Let's talk about some of the features. They talk about the two-sided IMD process. This is a two-layer case that they actually put these two layers together with this process, but the process ensures that the case doesn't fade or actually, stays quality the whole time you're using it. Also anti-scratch and no fade at all. Decorated glow-in-the-dark lines. So you see these little lines right here, guys, they will glow in the dark if you in the dark. Also, we got precise cutout for charging port, S Pen, secure grip with textured sides, CPU cooling window, and built-in magnet. So we're gonna go over a lot of this stuff, guys, but let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Nothing going on out back, just the same specs basically, and the QR code to get the alumu.com. So what we're gonna do is just lift up and get the case out. Now, like I said, guys, as you can see, this is the white silver. This is the brighter colorway of that transparent frosted case. They also have a darker colorway. And I think this is gonna look pretty dope on my S25 Ultra. Now, first and foremost, let's take it to the camera area. As you can see, we got individual camera cutouts on one side, big camera cutout on the other side. And this is like a nice metal silver raised lip around the camera. And I really like that because it matches the silver metal buttons on the side. Yes, guys, this has aluminum buttons going on and they match. I like individual metal buttons because they always give you a good button press, a natural feeling button press. This is just like pressing the buttons on the device. Then we take it over to this area right here, guys, where it says CPU cooling holes. If you look really close, you can see that. Now, if you actually use the S25 Ultra or any smartphone, around this area, this is where the device gets hot. If you utilizing the device and it starts to get hot. My S25 Ultra really never got hot on me, but I'm just saying I noticed that a lot of devices, if they do start to get warm, is up here like right next to the camera cutout. So they got it precisely put in the area where if the device does overheat or start to warm up, these are the cooling holes right here where they need to be. Now, when something heats up, it's all about dissipating, pushing the heat away, getting rid of the heat. I realized that when I got my actual gaming PC, like a lot of times I thought the fans in the gaming PC were about pushing air onto the processor or whatever internal parts get hot, but the fans on the PC are actually about pushing the heat away from the PC. If I put my hand next to the PC, I'll feel the fans pushing the air out. And with these holes, this case will actually release the heat instead of holding it inside the case and making the device even hotter. So as far as being functional, this actually could work to let some of the heat go if the S25 Ultra does heat up. Now, all these little lines on these case, guys, just like, little cool, unique nerd type stuff, they will glow in the dark if you're in that type of situation. And also, this case does have MagSafe, so that's why you got like this internal look at I guess Qi charging or a MagSafe charging magnet, which looks really cool on the back of this case. Now you can see the sides where it say designed by Alumu, but at the same time, you got some grips on the side, guys. It's hard to see because the case is white, kind of transparent, but you got some grip going on. And grip is a big part of drop protection, because with grip, you won't drop your device, or there's a less chance that you'll drop your device in the first place. Also on this side, you got plenty of grips right under your aluminum button press. So really nice case here, guys. Now as far as the material, it's not a cheap cheesy TPU case. The back is harder than the side. So the back is like definitely a polycarbonate, and the sides do have a little give to them, but they're not really wonky. So I would say this is like, you know, has some TPU in it for a nice grip in hand. Now y'all know that this is clean. This is a clean case right here, guys. This is why I picked this case up with my own money. Didn't even think about it at all. Just straight checked out because I knew it would be clean on this white S25 Ultra. And you must admit, this looks very cool. Has like a nerd aesthetic to it. Just a really clean, quality looking case. As you can see, nice and raised up around these big camera sensors with this nice aluminum lip right here, which matches the button press, guys. I really like how that look. As you can see, just the aesthetics of the MagSafe magnet through the transparency. Now I can't, you know, it's the daytime, so I can't show y'all it glowing in the dark, but these little lines definitely glow in the dark. So in the dark setting, that's probably definitely neat. Now these buttons protrude really nicely. They protrude out really nicely. No symbols or nothing like that, but they definitely gonna be easy to find and definitely have a tactile button press. Nice and tactile, just like you using the device. All cutouts on deck down bottom, plenty of space for your Type-C, nice big space to get your S Pen out, cutouts matching up top. Now in hand, this case doesn't add any real bulk at all. It's pretty minimal, but you do have a nice raised lip all the way around your display. So they made sure they added that raised lip. So you definitely, if you drop this on a flat surface, the raised lip on the case will take the impact and not the display of S25 Ultra. Now this phone does have MagSafe, so I got a MagSafe ring holder. Just want to check the MagSafe strength. Lock right on. I'm shaking the phone, only holding the ring holder. Phone not going nowhere. The MagSafe strength is definitely good enough on the Alumu frosted case. But yeah, guys, this is the Alumu frosted case in white for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I think this case is dope, unique, with a lot of little features that make this probably one of the best frosted cases on the market for your S25 Ultra. Again, link down in the description is your boy BG Tech Life. Go ahead, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.